So a couple of construction details in here that are important. Modern homes, we're really trying to get these spaces to be really tight. So in order to do that, we're really watching any of our potential air leaks. So what you see here is our foam that they'll foam in all the windows. The vapor barrier goes on the warm side of the building envelope. So on the exterior, we looked at the air moisture barrier. And so that allows any moisture that gets trapped inside of this wall, it breathes to go out. On the outside, it doesn't let any vapor in. So it's an air and moisture barrier, but it's breathable. On the inside, we use plastic, which is a vapor barrier. So no moisture can go in or out, but you can only do that on one side. Otherwise, what'll happen is, just like a can, you'll get some condensation on this, and if it doesn't have a place to escape, you would trap it inside that wall, and you'd create moisture issues, which would lead to mold and that sort of thing. So you do a vapor barrier on one side, and that breathable air moisture on the other side allows those vapors to go out.